So we're here with Aberystwyth Town interim manager Wayne Jones after a 0-0 draw with Cefn Druids. Wayne, would it be fair to say on that game we got the performance, we didn't quite get the result we wanted?
Yeah, definitely. It's been a difficult week for us all concerned, through one reason or another. But we regrouped Wednesday night. We discussed. We had a game plan. I thought we manufactured that really well today. And it was just obviously a little bit unfortunate that the chances didn't really happen for us. Although we created enough to win the game. Hit the bar, I think it was twice, the post once. Luke's had a second ball there, open goal, and obviously skied it. But that's disappointing. But overall, in terms of the work ethic from the players and our game plan, everything was spot on.
Yeah, and you must be pleased with a clean sheet, surely.
Yeah, definitely. It's been a while, and we worked in the week to try and be compact because we've been conceding a lot of goals recently. And to be fair, the guys they dug in, but I thought we defended from the front really well today, which maybe we haven't done in the last few weeks. So that's credit to the front line as well.
Yeah, okay. And were there any individuals you thought that stood out in the game, or do you think it was more of a team?
I thought Ryan Wallacott was given a role and responsibility on Ashley Rowan, who was a player on real form, a really good player. I thought he'd done a real good job on him. Didn't really give him much chance. And young Dylan Rees, again, likewise, he was given the job of man for man and really took about his work well today. And for me, that was the most pleasing. Great.
And I suppose now you'll... well, we've got a bit of a break now until the next game. Is it 2 weeks until? Yeah.
We play 2 weeks Sunday, Llandudno, which is obviously another massive game now. So we've got a lot of time to regroup and spend quite a bit of time together and work on certain things. And again, I reiterate, like I told the players there, if we show our desire and effort, and obviously if we can do our homework, how to set out against the opposition, I think we'll be in good stead.
Great. Okay. Thanks very much, Wayne. Well done on a much improved performance.
Cheers. Thank you.